Hey guys, join me as I unbox my Temu items. Yay! So, as you can see on your screen right now, this is me trying to unbox my Temu items. I told you that I ordered, right? Alright, it has arrived and here are what I got. As you can see, I look so excited. I hope I will be this excited at the end of my unboxing. So I want you to stay with me till the end of this video so you will see my rating about this particular shopping app that I am advertising. So this is the first item that I got. This is a cap. I actually like it. It looks matured and beautiful, so I like it. I'm going to give them a 10. This is good. I like it. Okay, so let's check on the next item. Let's see. This one is I think this is speaker. Yeah, this is a speaker. All right, so when I was unboxing this one, it looks beautiful. In fact, I was skeptical. I was scared. I was like, let this be good because I really invested on this one. So I'm unboxing it, and what I was seeing, it was very nice. It was exactly what I ordered. All right, guys, look at it. Look at it. Isn't it exactly what I ordered? And it looks very beautiful and handy, so I like it. All right. Okay, this is the chargers and everything. Yeah, so that's the second item. Let's go over to the next one. So the next item here is the shampoo cap. Yeah, this one is for my baby, so it's for my baby, so that's it. And it was okay. It was okay. No much comment. It's just there. It's just any regular something that you can get, and it's nice. All right, so let's go over to the next one. The next one now I'm going to be unboxing is a rechargeable torch. This particular one, I loved it. I loved it. It's not like I needed a torch, but mm, uh, let's just say that I saw it, I liked it, and I said, okay, let me look at that. It was shining so bright and I loved it. I really loved this torch. I mean, even though it was expensive somehow, but mm, it's not bad. It's not bad, and it has different layers, and I really liked it. I'm just trying to like explore and see how it looks on my face, and it was bright. I said, okay, fine. So this is the next one. This one is a learning pad. It's for babies too. So I bought it for my baby. So that's it. All right. So that's it. And the next one, okay. I was trying to understand this pad because I even thought like it was like an adult pad, but it wasn't that. Like it was completely different. I'm just going to rate this one. Let me say I'm going to rate it a six. But I would I I will maybe rate it more than that because I didn't buy it that expensive. It wasn't that expensive, so I don't know what I was expecting, sha. So this one is sponge, is for babies too. So I bought it for my baby too. So most of my shopping was for my baby. So that was it. The sponge was nice, but I was expecting it to be a bit bigger. But then, it's not bad. I like it. I mean, it is soft. It is not bad. It is not bad. Let's just say it is not bad. I'll just give them maybe a 7. All right. Okay, let's go over to the next item. This most of my shopping is for my baby, so don't expect much. So the next item I got here is a knee protector, still for my baby. All right. So this one now, I've already tried it on my baby and it looks very okay. So I liked it. It was like exactly what I ordered. All right. Look at me checking it out. It was very the quality is very okay. I loved it. So let's go over to the next one. So the next one that I ordered, I think, was head protector. So this one is head protector. In fact, let me say I love this one. I'm going to like give them 10 over 10. Like, the quality was top notch and I really really loved it. So this is me trying to like explore, look at it very well, see what it looks like. I mean, you can resize it and all that, and it looks very very okay. Like, it's going to like last for a long time. I love that. I love it. So let's check the next one. The next one is I think, yeah, feeding bottle. So it's not like I don't have a feeding bottle, but this one is like silicone. So I saw it, I liked it. I say, let's try something new. So that's it though. This one is very interesting, guys. This is smartwatch. Smartwatch. I really really liked it. I love this one. I love it. I'm going to like give this one a 10 over 10. So I love it. So look at me checking it out. I mean, it is still scattered. I will still have to like arrange it together and all that, but just looking at it, I already love it. I'm still going to like give this one a 10 over 10. Look at me laughing like when what you ordered is exactly what you got. That's the feeling. So this one is a hand swing machine. uh, you know um you don't have to be using needle and thread all the time now. So I decided to get this particular one for myself to make work easier for me. So, and I love it. I've already tried it out and it works perfectly well. Let's check out the next one. Then this one I think is a perfume. Yeah, it's a perfume. So mm, let me just say this perfume looks small. Yeah, I was expecting to be a bit bigger, but then the scent is actually nice. The scent is okay. I love the scent, so that's it about the perfume. It's actually nice. This one is a cross chain. Mm, I didn't let me say I didn't really want this, but I just said, let me just get it. Ordering things, you just order and order and order what you don't even need. So that was it about it. So this one, let's just leave it. So the next one, what's the next thing I ordered? Okay, yes, I ordered a card reader. Yeah, I needed a card reader. But then I was now like looking at the card reader. I wasn't even understanding the card reader at all. But later I was able to navigate everything about it, and I was I was really impressed. I was really impressed with this one. Like, I'm going to like give them a 10 over 10. Like, this one is okay. I really, really loved it. Okay, so let's check out something else. What else did I got? I got yeah, this false eyelash. I think that's the next one. I got a false eyelash. All right, let me just package this one first. Uh-huh. Packaging it back. All right, I got a false eyelash, guys. So it's not like I'm using it to, but no, once in a while, occasion, something occasional might just come up and you just need it. So I just say, let me just get this one, and it's not even that expensive. So that was why I got it. All right. So what else? What else? I think I got earrings. I got earrings. So let's check it out. This one is earrings. It was three sets. Yeah, this is earrings. It was three sets. It has this gold, black and silver. So it was three sets. Then the next one is also an earring. I'm going to give this one. Let me see. A two. A two. I'm going to give this one like a 2 because it wasn't what I expected though. I beg. This is the end of it though. This is the end of it, guys. So after everything, I would say I'm satisfied and I'm giving them a total of 8 over 10. amazing, right? So they tried. So all right, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, cause I'm still going to be posting more videos that you love. All right, bye.